This next training video is going to show you what the day-to-day looks like for one of our experienced commercial mowers. Whether or not you are being hired on as an experienced commercial mower, all staff is expected to know how to safely operate one of our grandstand zero-turn mowers. This video will show you the steps in safely operating some of this equipment. Upon arriving at your destination, you will always park on a roadside when available. If there is no roadside parking available, then you are allowed to park in the customer's driveway, but let's make sure not to block any customer's way of exit before we park. Once you're parked, you can go ahead and open your book up, and you will clock in to that job site by writing the date, your name, and the start time for that particular site. You can then open up Company Cam and take a look at nearby locations. You can pull up the property that you're at and check the aerial view to make sure that you mow the correct property lines. You can also look at the front of the house to make sure that you're at the right location, because we do not enjoy mowing the wrong houses. The next thing you can do is go ahead and back your mower off. The Isuzu makes this very easy for you, as you can see. The ramps simply lower down. You can get on the mower, and to start a mower, you adjust the choke, turn the ignition key, and the mower will start. You can then adjust the throttle, adjust the choke, and let your parking brake off, and back slowly and carefully off the back of the Isuzu. Once in position to mow, you can then check your deck height. We mow specifically at 4 inches unless otherwise stated on the paper. Adjust the deck height to this location and turn your blades on. As we start mowing the edges, you'll see that Chris here blows all of his grass clippings back into the yard. We do not blow any grass clippings on roadsides, driveways, up against houses, towards vehicles, or onto a neighboring lawn. Always blow back into the lawn and provide clean, crisp edges with your mower. After finishing the entire yard, Chris will come back and he will reload his mower. As you can see, he carefully pulls straight onto the Isuzu, gets over the break point of the bed and off of the dovetail. He then lowers his throttle, sets his parking brake, and turns the mower off. The next thing that we do is trim the entire lawn. You can see here that we always trim on a 90-degree angle by turning our weed eater upright and providing a clean, crisp edge, as you will see here shortly. We trim all hard surfaces, sidewalks, driveway edges, and around all trees, and anything else that may need trimmed in the lawn. After trimming, we always come through and blow off all grass clippings from hard surfaces. Driveways, sidewalks, patios all get blown off, whether or not we blow grass or not. We still will clean off every surface before leaving. After the job is done, we can get back in the truck and we will record our finish time for that job, and then we will find our GPS location for the next job and head that direction.